Haplodiploidy is a mechanism of sex determination in honeybees. Why? Because in honeybees, male bees are in haploid state and female bees are in diploid state. How interesting it is, let us discuss. So, haplodiploid in honeybees. So, just now I told you in honeybees, male bees are in haploid and female bees are in diploid. So, let us start with the queen bee whose main role is laying eggs. So, the queen bee is a female so that it is in diploid state, so which is having 32 chromosomes in it, means 2n state. A queen bee whose main role is laying eggs. So it lays two types of eggs. The eggs which are not fertile, so simply we can say that which are gametes, which are not fertile with sperms. So these gametes are able to produce male bees. So these ova is a gamete of an organism, so that it possesses 16 chromosomes, because exact half of adult, so that it is in end state. So ova undergo the development directly without fertilization. It gives male bees. The male bees are produced from ova without fertilization. Hence, this process is known as parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis is a process can be seen in animal kingdom where organisms are produced without fertilization. So, male bees will produce in honeybee family by with parthenogenesis. So, this scientifically called as arachnotoky. Arachnotoky is otherwise called male parthenogenesis. Right, this is regarding male bees. So male bees always form from the ova, gamete of the queen bee, and later next ova which are fertile with sperms. The sperms are in 16 are having the 16 chromosomes. However, the ova also having the 16 chromosomes. By fusion of these, so zygote will form. The zygote develops into female bees. So the female bees are in 2n state, so that 32 chromosomes will be. So among these all the female bees, one of the female bee becomes into queen and remaining all becomes into nurse bees, or we can say that worker bees. So in this, every caste of honeybees are having their own role. So male bees whose main role is giving or donating sperms to the queen, and queen bee whose main role is laying eggs to develop their population, and nurse bees and worker bees whose main role is collecting the nectar and protecting the honeybee comb. So among this, the male bee's lifetime is up to few weeks, and the interesting thing is male bees, once it copulate with a queen bee, it will die. Once it is donated sperms to the queen bee, it will die. And it gives sperms to queen when queen is flying in the air. So such phenomena is known as nuptial flight. Nuptial flight is a phenomena in which sperms are donated to queen while it is flying in the air. And queen bee only single whose lifetime is 5 years, maximum 5 years, and nurse bee is few months, especially 3 to 5 months. 3 to 5 months whose lifespan, and whose main role is collecting the nectar and protecting the honeycomb. And there is an interesting thing where male bees are haploid state whose chromosome number is 16, but The sperms also having the 16 chromosomes. So being a zygote of this one, it should have 8. The important thing is when male bees produce sperms, the sperms form in the process mitosis but not meiosis. In animal kingdom, the common thing is gametes form by a meiotic division. But in this phenomena, in this concept, male bees form the sperms, their zygotes, by mitotic division. So that the adult male bee contains haploid 16 chromosomes, even its zygote also, its gamete also 16 chromosomes. So 16 chromosomed sperm, 16 chromosomed ovum fuse to form the 32 chromosomed zygote. The zygote develops into female bees. Female bees are, among all the female bees, only one bee becomes into queen and remaining all becomes into nurse bees and or worker bees or guard bees. And one more thing I want to tell you, male bees are otherwise called drones, and the definition of male bees are haploid, male, fertile. Because fertile means they are able to produce the gametes. So male haploid fertile bees are known as drones. Clear? Then queen bees. Female fertile bees are bee is known as queen. And female sterile bees are known as nurse bees or worker bees. See the difference. Queen bee definition is female fertile bee is known as queen. Female sterile because they are not able to produce any gamete. So that's sterile. Sterile female bees are known as nurse bees. This is haplodiploid in honeybees. Thank you.